There's nothing that is worth knowing what is in your food. Nothing is more than that. So I decided to make my dry fish at home by myself. Let me take you along. I began by buying my mackerel fish from the store, and then I defrosted it, and by the next day it has defrosted, though not completely, but like 99%. Then I went ahead to cut out all those hard stuff that are by the side, just this thing that I'm showing you here. Clean that up properly, and then after I was done cleaning everything, I make sure I cut out the things that should not be there. Then I start cutting my fish into the size that I want. The first one, the head was a bit scattered, though it didn't even show later, it hardened up. That's one thing I like about this type of mackerel. Now I cut out the fish and washed it very clean before putting them in my baking tray, just this way. That is the size of fish that I'm going with, and look at how clean it is. That is what you want to do as well. Season yours with some salt, paprika powder, all-purpose seasoning, turmeric powder, and then go in with fish seasoning as well. If you just add salt, it will be absolutely fine, but yes, I want to upgrade it because it's the one we'll be enjoying at home. So yeah, and I was done layering it. By this time my oven was already heated up for about 10 minutes already, so I went in and put my mackerel in there and set the timer for 1 hour 21 minutes, and I kept on flipping it, I think twice, before it was ready, just this way. And look at what we just have. Everything is ready, looks so good and dried. I mean, it was so good, shiny as well, and you see the colored pop on that because of all the seasonings that we added. And I mean, I was super happy when it came out. I kept on shouting, wow, so why was I wasting my money to buy dry fish if I can do it at home? And if I can do this at home, you can also do it. It consumes a bit of time, but it is worth it. It is worth it. And look at how good this fish look at that. Like, it didn't reduce in size. This type of mackerel is very good. I'll check the name and just write it somewhere. This type of mackerel, when you grill it, it still remains the way you put it in. Can you guys see that? Look at that. It's still the same way I just popped this in, and all that is left for me now is just to store them in a very dry place, and that is going to be in my freezer. Okay, I don't want it to spoil, so I'll put it straight in my freezer and take it out whenever I want to cook with that. And guys, let me know if you enjoyed this video and you're going to try this out. But with that, we've come to the end of this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. But until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.